Well, folks, you know who's here. As you can see, I'm cooking some steaks. I'm cooking some steaks because, as you all know, or if this is the first time you've ever watched my videos, I'm going to the Philippines. And I'll tell you one thing about the Philippines, they don't have a lot of beef. It's actually expensive if you can find it, but it really is not always available. Yeah, I'm like an idiot out here. I'm in the rain cooking these steaks. But the good news is I'm cooking some steaks. Yeah. However, when I do go to the Philippines, I will be eating a lot of pork because I bought a pig my brother-in-law picked up. You'll meet him. You'll probably see a lot of him. And see what kind of any blood coming up. Yeah, you'll see a lot of him, I think, and yeah, I'm gonna try to get some proper footage of the scenes, the culture, wife's family, and that kind of thing. Yeah, this baby looks like it's just about done. That's a fat one right there. This one's my wife. That's hers, I should say. She's a T-bone. But yeah, it's gonna be nice to get out of this wet, cold weather and go there in some warm weather and sweat a little bit more again. They'll probably laugh at me with my chubbiness here, but it's okay. It's nothing to be offended about when they tell you you're fat there. That's what my wife says, okay? But yeah, so I need to get out of this rain and chomp on one of these steaks. The other one's my wife's, that one. And I'll see you guys when I'm in the Philippines, because I'm going to try to get footage while I'm there to you on YouTube, and that's my plan. In the event you don't see or hear from me, it's because the Wi-Fi sucks or something like that. But we got in a little apartment there, and we have Wi-Fi there. And my brother-in-law's house, I'm actually paying for his Wi-Fi. It's very cheap there, folks. So understand that. I couldn't afford to pay for the stupid Wi-Fi, but I hope to get a lot of footage. I hope to even do some live stuff if possible. Man, I can't wait to eat. I haven't eaten anything today. That looks good. That T-bone looks good. This one's a little thicker, so it's got to cook a little bit more. So, not much else to say. Thank you to everyone who is appreciating my cooking videos. I never knew anybody even cared, really, but I'm pretty impressed with the response I'm getting, and I thank you for that. And I thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoy these upcoming ones, because I think they're going to be fun. So stay tuned, and until next time, I'm Paulie.